Stretch your hand and pull it forward. Count the number of fingers that you have. I'm sure you have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers. Take away 0 minus 0 finger. 0 means what? Nothing. That means you take away nothing from your 5 fingers. How many fingers do you have left? 5 fingers minus 0 fingers equals to 5. Because 0 means take away nothing. So when you take away 0 from a number, the number remains the same. Let's have a bottle of water. Can you get a bottle of water? Even if you can't get one, just look at mine. I have a bottle of water. Now I'm going to get a cup. I have a pink Minnie Mouse cup. I'm going to get 0 water from this bottle. Can you imagine that? Yes, that's what I wanted to get. Getting 0 cup of water from this bottle means take nothing away, because 0 means nothing. So, taking away 0 leaves us with the same quantity. The water remains full. It remains the same because we are not taking any water away from it. Same way, when we take 0 away from numbers, the numbers remain the same. Now, let's see some numbers. 5 minus 0. 5, take away 0. When you are taking away 0 from a number, you don't even need to count. Just write the number because it remains the same. 5 minus 0 equals 5. 2, take away 0. You have 2 things. You take away nothing. How many things do you have left? You still have 2. 11 minus 0. You have 11 buttons. You take away 0 buttons. No buttons. How many buttons do you still have? You have 11 buttons. So also 8 minus 0 equals to what? Brilliant. 8. So when we are adding or taking away 0 from a number, the number remains the same.